Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but who says it has to be boring? Today we're diving into 7 different healthy breakfast recipes that are easy to make, full of flavor, and perfect for your body and mind. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a healthy bite. Let's jump straight into breakfast recipe number 1. Recipe 1, avocado toast with poached egg. This one's a classic. Whole grain toast topped with creamy avocado and a perfectly poached egg. Add a pinch of salt, pepper, and chili flakes. Healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Done in under 10 minutes. Recipe 2, overnight oats. Overnight oats are a game changer. Combine rolled oats, chia seeds, your favorite milk, and let it sit overnight. In the morning, top it off with fruits and a drizzle of honey. Zero cooking needed. Recipe 3, Greek yogurt parfait. Looking for something refreshing? Greek yogurt parfaits are rich in protein and probiotics. Layer them with granola and berries. It's like dessert for breakfast. Recipe 4, veggie omelette wrap. Power up with this protein-packed veggie omelette wrap. Load up the eggs with your favorite veggies, cook it flat, and wrap it up in a whole wheat tortilla for an on-the-go option. Recipe 5, smoothie bowl. If you love smoothies, try a smoothie bowl. Blend frozen fruits, banana, and a little Greek yogurt. Pour into a bowl and decorate with fresh toppings. Instagram-worthy and nutrient-rich. Recipe 6, banana oat pancakes. These pancakes are flour-free and naturally sweet. Just blend banana, oats, eggs, and a pinch of cinnamon. Cook on a non-stick pan and enjoy guilt-free pancakes. Recipe 7, chickpea salad sandwich. For our final recipe, a protein-packed, meatless sandwich. Mash chickpeas with a bit of Greek yogurt, mustard, and your favorite herbs. Serve it up on toasted bread with lettuce and tomato. There you have it, 7 delicious and healthy breakfasts to keep your mornings exciting and nutritious. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves breakfast. Don't forget to subscribe for more health-focused recipes every week.